Hi there, and thank you so much for applying for our field service representative position in Panama City, Florida. As an automotive photographer for car data, you should be hardworking, highly motivated, energetic, and an organized team player. You'll be given an opportunity to build and manage relationships with our clients on your assigned routes, and you'll be handling one of their most important assets, which is their online vehicle showroom. This is a part-time position which requires you to work Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting no later than 9 a.m., clocking in using an app from the lot. The pay structure for this position is strictly commission, and what I mean by that is it's based on your performance, and there are opportunities for bonuses every month. This is not a salary or an hourly position. Again, it's strictly based on your performance, and what that means is you charge for every car that you service, that you process using an app. You create an invoice and you get a percentage of that. So every car that you do, you make money on. In addition to the commission and the bonus opportunities, we also pay a gas allowance, and that's calculated from your home based on your route, visiting all the dealerships, and then you return back home. And then there's a formula that's used, and we use the current gas rates that's in your territory to calculate what that gas allowance is. With that said, you could look to make anywhere from $800 to $1,000 a month, and that's based on just 64 hours of calculated working time for the entire month. Being that it's a part-time position, again, it's just Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting no later than 9 a.m. For the most effective and efficient photographer, you could expect to work anywhere from 3 to 5 hours a day during that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. No experience is needed, as we provide all training and all equipment for the job. However, we do ask that you are responsible, that you have a clean driving record, that you have a valid driver's license, insurance, a vehicle that's in your names and you use only. You have excellent communication skills, which includes emails, phone calls, text messages, because once you're contacted, we expect a response within 30 to 45 minutes. This position does require you to be on your feet all day long, so you have to be able to do that. And keep in mind, this is Florida, so you're dealing with Florida sun. It is hot, it's rainy, it's humid, there's bugs outside, but for the right candidate, this is the perfect position. So if that is you, then I encourage you to continue with your application. We look forward to meeting you, and good luck with your application. I hope to meet you soon.